Nobody
can say no.
Nobody
Can say no.
Nobody. I want you to do this. Nobody
Can say no.
Nobody.
Can say no.
Nobody.
Can say no.
Nobody. Everybody try this. Come on. Nobody.
Can say no.
Nobody.
Can say no.
Nobody.
Can say no.
Nobody.
Can say no.
No well away. 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 Sote. 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 Can't say no. Nobody can say no.
When Jesus says,
nobody can say no.
When Jesus says, nobody can say no.
When Jesus
Say
says,
nobody can say no. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Hey. Let me tell you something. All the other gods, they are the works of men, but you are the Most High God, and there is none like you. All the other gods, they are the works of men, but you are the Most High God. There is none like you. Sing with me. All the other gods,
all the other gods,
they are the works of men.
they are the works of men.
You are the Most High God.
You are the Most High God.
There is none like you, God.
There is
One more
none
time.
like you.
All the other gods,
All the other gods,
whatever they are the works of men. You are.
you are the Most High God.
Now can we praise that God? Can we dance for Him? Put your hands like this. Jehovah, you are the Most High. Jehovah,
You are the Most High God.
Jehovah,
You are the Most High.
Jehovah,
You are the Most High
yeah,
God.
Jehovah,
You are the Most High.
Jehovah,
You are the Most High God.
Jehovah,
You are the Most High.
Jehovah,
You are the Most High God.
you are the Most High. 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 You are the Most High.
You are the Most High.
Jehovah.
You are the Most
Listen to this, listen. Cause you are good and your mercy is forever.
Hallelujah.
Simple songs. Let's go, yeah. Lord, you are good and your mercy is forever.
Hallelujah.
Father, you are good and your mercy is forever. Yeah. Lord, you are good and your mercy is forever.
Hallelujah.
Put your hands up. Hey, Jehovah, you are the
Most High.
Jehovah.
You are the Most
Hey,
High
hey,
God.
Jehovah,
You are the Most High.
Jehovah.
You are the
One more
Most
time.
High
Oh,
God.
Jehovah,
You are the Most High.
Jehovah,
You are the Most High God.
Jehovah,
You are the Most
High. You are the Most High God. Yay! Yay! Ha! Ha! Hallelujah. Are you tired yet? Yeah, because you're in America, of course. That makes sense. It's okay. It's understandable. This next song I'm going to sing, you already know the song. And it's an American song by Chris Tomlin. It says that His grace is enough for me. He uses the weak to lead the strong. Grace great is His love and justice. But allow me, I won't sing it in a slow way, though it's done. I'm just going to take it a little bit back to Rwanda, and we Rwandanize the song. Is that okay? Yeah, let's do that. So we're just going to keep the same rhythm. Is that okay? Awesome. You know the song, you can sing along, just it's going to be a little bit faster. Here we go. Great is your faithfulness, oh God. Yes, he was going American right now. Let's go to Africa. Yeah, that's it, brother. God bless you. You ready to sing with me? So let's clap your hands just like this. That's it. 1, 2, 3, go. Great is your faithfulness, oh God. You wrestle with a sinner's heart. Come on, sing along. You lead us by still waters into mercy, and nothing can keep us apart. So remember your people, remember your children, remember your promise, oh God. Sing your grace is enough, your grace is enough, your grace is enough, your grace is enough for me. Great is your love and justice, God. Oh yeah, you use the weak to lead the strong. You lead us in the song of your salvation, Jesus. And all your people sing along. So remember your people, remember your children, remember your promise, oh God. One more time, so remember
Your people,
remember your children,
your children,
remember your promises, oh God.
your promise, oh God.
Your grace is enough. Your grace is enough. Your grace is enough. Your grace is enough for me. God, I sing. Your grace is enough. Your grace is enough. Your grace is enough for me. Your grace is enough. Your grace is enough. Your grace is enough. Your grace is enough for me. Here's my last song. And I'm going to sing it just a little mellow with our voices and piano. It's such a simple song. I picked these songs because they are very easy to sing along. But Joshua is the one who said these words. He said, me and my house will serve the Lord. Me and my house will serve the Lord. Me and my house will serve the Lord with all we got. Me and my house will serve the Lord. If you got it, can you sing with me? Me and my house will serve the Lord. Me and my house, me and my house will serve the Lord. No matter what, me and my house will serve the Lord. Me and my house will serve. With a little bit of faith, sing aloud, Ecumenet. Come on. Me and my house will serve the Lord. Me and my house will serve the Lord. Oh yes, me and my house will serve the Lord. Me and my house, me and my house will serve. With our voices, come on, sing that. Me and my house, me and my house will serve the Lord. Me and my house will serve the Lord. Me and my house will serve the Lord. Me and my house, me and my house will serve the Lord. With your voices, say hallelujah, 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 given me, for his blessing, for his goodness, for who he is. Oh, help me, God, to serve you with my heart. We serve the Lord, we serve the Lord. With our voices one more time. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Sing. Hallelujah. Oh yeah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Oh. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. May God bless you.
So I will welcome.